Hi, in this video we will talk about placeholder. Placeholder is used to customize your notification message. First, let's go to our notification section. Go to settings and under notifications, click on notifications. Next, let's modify a template. For this example, we're going to be selecting appointment created. Go to the right hand portion until you see the three dots, click it, and click on edit template. So, what is a placeholder text? To simply put it, it is a text or string of characters that temporarily takes the place of the final data. At the bottom portion of the email notification template window, you can find all the available placeholders. And now, let's do an example. Let's say I want to put the name of the staff at the bottom of the notification message. So first, we go to the edit section, scroll down to the bottom portion, and let's create our short script. So we start with the title, and then let's copy this placeholder text and paste it here. You can then see immediately the changes in the preview section. Once a new appointment has been created, the name of the staff will then be replaced to whoever staff was assigned to this appointment. Once everything is set, let's click on the Save Template button. You will then see a notification that the template has been updated. And that's how easy it is to use a placeholder text to your notification message. And now, it's your turn to try it. That's all for this video.